So hello to my students. This is Mrs. Teresi. I'm just going to show you really quickly how easy it is to join the Wakelet and add your work in the Wakelet. So first of all, let's go to the classroom where you would have seen the link to the Wakelet. I'm going to either click on this link. Now, if you've already clicked on it and we've already had a look at it in the classroom, then for most of you, when you click on it, it will just go to this page and say join. When you click on join, because you will have already joined as a guest or joined by joining by actually signing up to Wakelet, you don't have to do that, but if you want to, you can. And then, so you'll already be here. But for those that have not done it yet, let's go back here and I'm going to grab this link, copy the link address, and I'm now going to open up an incognito window. Here we are. I've opened up an incognito window and I'm going to paste the link and it should come up with, here we go. So it's gone into the Wakelet and you'll see you've been invited to the Bonded Labour Wakelet. You can either log in to join if you already have an account. You can sign up to join if you want to sign up to the Wakelet. As I said, you don't need to do either one of these. But what you can do, which makes life really easy, where it means you don't have to worry about joining or anything, is just click on continue as guest. Click on continue as guest. And this is what will happen. It will say to add your name. So at this point here, you're going to add your name and you're going to be your student name, and you can put a letter for your surname, and then you need to add the class, whether you're 4EL or if you're 4GL, either one, okay? So make sure you just put in which one you are. I'm just going to put that one in so we know it's a test, and click on done. And at that point there, that is the name that's going to show up in your post. So we're going to click on join. And when you click on join, you'll see all the work that's already been put in there by your, let me click on this, by your colleagues. I'm going to just write a text here. You can click on add text, and this is a test run. Okay, and that's all I'm going to write. You can also change that. You can make it a header, heading 1, okay, or you can make it a heading 2, bold, whatever. Okay, I'm going to close that, and as you can see, it's already saved, and it's saved my name, Student A, okay? And then if you have a look at your friends, you can also give them a like. Okay, now but what you need to do is add your word art. So what you need to do is click on add an image, see, upload an image. So you can upload an image or you can paste a web address. So if you have an account on WordArt and you have your work saved on WordArt, you can just paste the web address here. That's all there is to it. Very easy. And when you're done, all you have to do is close the page, go back to classroom, write done, and that's it. And I'll see you in class. This is Mrs. Teresi signing off till next time. Thank you for listening.